Hey guys, it's Martin here, and today I'm going to share to you the 5 things I'm doing to get through this COVID-19 pandemic with a sore throat. But before that, please click like and subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Thanks. Hey, what's up guys? It's Martin here. I'm a registered nurse here in the Philippines, and let me share to you the 5 things that I did to get through this COVID-19 pandemic with this sore throat. Okay, before I start, please let me share to you a little background on how I got this sore throat. Now, I'm not really sure how I got it, but 2 weeks ago I went to work, did all the normal stuff in my routine, and then after that, about 9 days ago, I went out the house and do some repair of the dog cages. Okay, I did some welding stuff. So anyway, my number one suspect are the fumes from the welding, right? So by the way, the fumes from welding, they're toxic. They emit different kinds of gases like zinc and other gases. So it's probably the suspect, and it's probably the cause of the dryness in my throat. So what are the 5 things? Let's go to and start to number 1. Number 1, what I did was I stayed at home. I stayed at home, called a doctor friend, and I was advised to observe and stay at home. So that's what I did. Anyway, with the pandemic booming now in different countries around the world, I think it is the best thing that we can do to help stop the spreading. Stay at home, do self-quarantine, okay? Avoid contact with other people and objects even. So that's number 1, stay at home. Number 2, every day was an ordeal for me. It would make me paranoid. Even at night when I'm not doing anything before sleeping, I would do some research. Okay, and do research on the internet, the signs and symptoms of COVID-19, the difference between the other stuff, other sore throats caused by a different bacteria or viruses. But anyway, it made me paranoid. So what the best thing that I did was, number 2, pray. I prayed a lot harder. Oh, who wouldn't pray, right? It's very scary. So number 2 is pray. Number 3, proper intake. Eat the right food. Okay, remember your Go, Grow and Glow foods. Okay, especially your glow foods, right? Your green leafy vegetables, your vitamin rich fruits, you eat them. Okay. At first, the first 2 days, I just ate soft diet. I placed myself on soft diet because my throat was painful. I didn't want solid food to irritate my throat, right? So I took in porridge, right? Soft diet. Okay, and then after that, on the first day until now, it's the 8th day, I have been taking vitamins, especially vitamin C. I have been taking sodium ascorbate, which is less or not acidic, so that it won't irritate your stomach, right? So I took in 500 milligrams of sodium ascorbate, 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening. So that sums up to 1000 milligrams of vitamin C every day. They say it's not good to take in a lot of vitamin C or too much, but I had to because there's this problem, right? But to counter that, I drank a lot of water. Every 5, 10 or 15 minutes, I'd take a sip of mineral water, and then to keep my throat moist all the time and clean, right? Moist. They say once the coronavirus is in you, if ever, right? I hope not. If it's in you and then you drink warm or hot water, it just the warm water kills it, or if it doesn't, then it just dies in your stomach. The acids in the stomach, they kill the virus. So that's a good thing. You have to drink always, right? So what I did, what else did I drink? Oh yeah, organic tea, which was composed of lemon or lime, or we have calamansi or calamander in here, and then I mixed it up with ginger and turmeric. Drank it as warm as possible. The higher the temperature, the better. So as much as I could tolerate, as much heat as I could tolerate in drinking. So that's what I took in. Okay, next. Yeah, number 4. Okay, exercise properly, and after exercising, take enough rest. So rest and exercise, or exercise and rest. That's what I did. Number 4. Exercise and rest. What did I do? I did some push-ups, a few push-ups a day, and then did some sit-ups. Okay, after doing some sit-ups, I also did some curls on the dumbbells and a little bit of squats. Okay, I did not discontinue my activities of daily living, so I went out to walk the dogs, but no exposure with other people. Luckily for us here in the Philippines, the temperature and the environment is about 28 to 32 or 35 degrees. It's rather hot here, so the virus dies with that temperature. So I just walked out. Anyway, here in our place, there's not a lot of people, so I just walked the dog a few meters back. That exercise can help boost or strengthen my immune system. So that's what I did, rest and exercise. And for number 5, the last but not the least, okay, I didn't drink, I gargled. Okay, sorry, I gargled salt and water solution. What is that for? Okay, salt is known to kill bacteria, right? So salt and water, I gargled it for about 2 minutes twice a day. Okay, salt and water solution. And then you try to gargle it at the back of your throat as much as possible. Just watch out, you might choke a bit. So, but it happens. But it helps soothe the sore or the pain in your throat. Okay, after that, I also gargled a little bit of Bactidol after the salt and water solution. So that's it. Those are the 5 things that I did to get through. So let's do a recap, okay? Number 1, stay at home. Number 2, pray. Okay, guys, pray. Not for yourself only, but pray for everybody else. Pray for the world. Pray for healing. Okay, guys? And then number 3 is proper intake. Okay, that's food and water intake. And number 4, exercise and rest. And the last thing that I did was gargle salt and water at least twice a day with Bactidol after. So that's it, guys. Those are the 5 things that I did to get through this COVID-19 pandemic with a sore throat. It's the 8th day today, and I'm feeling better. So I hope it will. I will feel a lot better and get healed after this. By the way, guys, before you go out, please wear masks, and then always wash your hands. Okay, guys, always wash your hands. Use some sanitizer if possible. Wash your hands for at least 20 seconds with soap. Okay, so God bless, take care. Let's all pray that this thing would vanish. Okay, vanish into thin air, and everything can go back to normal. God bless and take care.